In space, no one can hear you scream. It's one of the most famous taglines in movie history, and it's 100% scientifically accurate. But why? Because every sound you've ever heard, from a whisper to a thunderclap, is a physical push. It's a vibration traveling through matter. Think of sound as a social wave. It needs atoms to interact with. When a drum skin vibrates, it shoves the air molecules next to it. Those molecules bump into their neighbors, creating a domino effect of energy. This is why sound has a speed limit, and it changes depending on the medium. In the tight-knit community of solid steel, the push travels instantly at over 5,000 meters per second. In the wide open space of air, it's a sluggish 340. And in the vacuum of space, there are no neighbors, no dominoes to topple, just silence. This is also why whales can communicate across hundreds of kilometers of ocean. Water is a far more efficient, denser medium for sound than air. Our brain decodes these vibrations in two key ways. The speed of the vibration is its frequency, which we perceive as pitch. A bat's rapid vibration creates a high-pitched squeak. A tuba's slow rumble is a low-pitched note. The sheer size of the vibration is its amplitude, which we hear as loudness or volume. And that weird change in a siren's pitch as it zooms past, that's the Doppler effect. As the fire engine races toward you, it's literally catching up to its own sound, squashing the waves together. This means a higher frequency and a higher pitch. As it moves away, it stretches those same waves out, and the pitch drops. It's a simple principle, but it's powerful enough to help astronomers prove our universe is expanding. From the sounds we hear to the ones we can't, like the ultrasound that reveals an unborn baby, it all comes back to that simple vibration, pushing its way through the world.